Do you feel mentally drained before lunch from making 1,000 tiny decisions? In today's Thrive in 5, I'm showing you how to beat decision fatigue so you can simplify your day, protect your brain power, and stay focused where it really matters. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Let's talk about something that drains your energy before you even realize it. It's decision fatigue. It's the mental exhaustion that comes from constantly choosing what to wear, what to work on, when to do it, what to cook, what to post. The truth is, every decision, no matter how small, uses your brain power. By mid-morning, it's no wonder you feel scattered and overwhelmed. The fix? Simplify the number of choices you make in a day. Here's how to beat decision fatigue and boost your productivity with less effort. The easiest way is to create daily defaults for recurring decisions. Think pre-decided routines and simple rules. Breakfast? Same rotation every week. Work outfit? A go-to uniform or a capsule wardrobe. Work time? Set focus blocks instead of constantly deciding where to start. The fewer choices you have to make, the more energy you save for real work. Another easy idea is to plan your priorities the night before. Decision fatigue hits the hardest when you sit down in the morning and you have to figure out what to do first. Instead, take 5 minutes the night before to identify your most important task or your MIT and time block your top 3 priorities. You'll wake up with clarity and start strong without hesitation. Another easy idea is to automate or batch low-impact decisions. So group errands together, preload your calendar, meal prep, batch social media content in advance. Even deciding once a week instead of once a day reduces stress. Ask yourself, what can I decide once that saves me 10 decisions later? This works because your brain has limited decision-making energy. By simplifying small choices, you preserve mental clarity for the big ones, the creative work, the strategy, the moves that grow your business or change your life. Let's recap a few ideas to beat decision fatigue and to protect your productivity. Set up daily defaults for meals, clothes, and work sessions. Plan your top priorities the night before. Batch and automate low-impact decisions whenever possible. If you're ready to implement this today, let me give you some specific action steps. Choose one decision you can automate or simplify. Plan your top 3 priorities tonight instead of waiting for tomorrow. Then notice how much lighter and clearer you feel with fewer choices on your plate. You don't have to do everything, you just need to protect your focus for what matters most. Let's make space for that. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.